All right, let's now get into business news. The economy contracted by 5.7% in the second quarter compared with an expansion of 5.3% in the same period last year. According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, business activity was subdued in the period under review due to the coronavirus outbreak. Noah Kipkemboi with more.
Kenya announced its first COVID-19 case on March 13th. Soon after, a wave of restrictions such as closure of learning institutions, near cessation of international travel, and closure of some businesses, especially those dealing in accommodation and food services, were put in place to curb the spread of the disease. It was unnecessary evil that led to decreased output in key sectors of the economy. Data compiled by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows substantial contraction in accommodation and food services. Activities in the sector contracted by 83.3% in the quarter under review compared to an expansion of 12.1% growth in the corresponding quarter of 2019. Manufacturing sector reported a contraction of 3.9% in the second quarter of 2020 compared to an expansion of 4% in the same period of 2019. Transportation and storage sector is estimated to have contracted by 11.6% in the second quarter of 2020 compared to 7.6% growth in the corresponding quarter of 2019. Other sectors that also contracted in the period under review include education and taxes on products. The overall performance during the review quarter was however cushioned from a deeper slump by growth in agriculture, forestry and fishing activities at 6.4%, financial and insurance activities at 4.2%, construction at 3.9%, health services at 10.3%, public administration at 5.7%, real estate activities at 2.2%, and mining and quarrying activities at 10%. Now Kipkemboi, KTN News.
The Ministry